Hello, it is December the 4th, 2024. I'm Karen Kanakanui, AgeWise AI. Welcome to 31 Days of AI Magic, Simple Solutions for Everyday Living. So today we're going to do something a little different. The name of the video today is Rewind, and that's because I think I got a little bit ahead of myself because the idea of this series was to show you how you can use Chat GPT and other AI tools in your day-to-day life and just to make your life a little simpler. That was really my goal. And so I thought I was starting from an assumption that everybody had been to Chat GPT before and knew your way around it. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time this morning just going over some of the very basics of Chat GPT. So when you first bring it up is, again, you go to chatgpt.com. This is a free account. Most of these AI tools have a free account and a paid account. And the main difference is that you will get more, you will be able to ask more questions. You will be able to do more with the paid accounts than you can with the free accounts. In ChatGPT for a while, we were also had access to one that had more updated information. And that's a plus and a minus. I don't think I would pay just for the latest in information if you're not doing research. And most of what we're talking about in December is fun stuff. This is not science. So I would not worry about that. I'd say definitely start out with the free versions. And so in ChatGPT, you'll see up here in the upper left-hand corner, there's a sidebar that shows you your previous conversations. It goes the previous 7 days. You can see it goes all the way back to where I started in 2023. These are my first few prompts going through here. And then I went month by month and I just kept asking and asking. And this is just on one AI tool. But one of the things I wanted to show you that's a follow-up to our conversation yesterday on let's go and look at the ocean. And so you can see that it keeps track of conversations that you have unless you specifically click on these three dots here and go for options and delete the conversation. If you don't do that, it'll stay over here forever. Now, this is what's really cool about that. You can go to the conversation that I had yesterday about Topsail Island, and I could just pick up the conversation where I left you off yesterday. So I thought of another question to ask, which is, what is the origin of the name Topsail? See, today I'm not even going to let that capital H bother me in the query in the prompt here. Let's see what it says. Sometimes it takes longer. There we go. The name comes from pirates who supposedly hid their ships behind the island, leaving only their topsails visible to passing merchant ships. That's fun, and that's where the name Topsail comes from. I could pick up a conversation from a year ago, from whatever I was doing a year ago, and just pick it right up where you left off. So that's handy. So this is the way I've mostly been having my screen since we've been meeting, is that I click this little button to close the sidebar so that I could explain to you what we were looking at here. But if you want to see the sidebar and look at your older conversations, you can click there. Now, to start a new chat, so this is where we're starting from. And you could say, good morning. I want to make Chat GPT as friendly and helpful as possible. What should I do in my queries or prompts? So it has some basics. Be clear and specific about what you need and why, which I think we've done. Set the tone up front. That's why I say good morning. I say please and thank you. Use context, encourage creativity, and ask. Anyway, this is steps. This is an easy enough thing for you to also do. Remember that this down button means that there's more information here. And the other thing I want to point out is that sometimes the tool gets stuck and it will just sit here and I don't know if it spins on this one, but it'll stop in the middle of a sentence. And what you do if it does that is you just say continue, and then it will think for a minute. It's giving us some additional ways to fine tune our prompts or questions in order for a friendly and helpful experience. So I just wanted to rewind back today to make sure that we were all on the same page and that you all knew how to get to where I tend to be starting each day. I'm hoping this is helpful for you. Tomorrow is Thursday. It is going to be our first using Chat GPT to work on your marketing. So tomorrow will be an actual business day. We're going to work on marketing, which is how I got into Chat GPT to begin with. So I'll look forward to seeing you there and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.